Triblock HR was built from the ground up for Bahamian businesses, right? Because you would have seen that a lot of companies would have either still been using Excel, which is the most used, I guess, HR and payroll software in the world. They either would have been using that, or if the company could afford it, they would go outside the country to get, let's say, a much more expensive software and have that vendor actually customize it for their needs. Now, even once that was done, there would still be a lot of issues, a lot of bugs related to how the actual software should work for our jurisdiction. So we decided to build Triblock HR specifically for Bahamian businesses, which includes the full one-stop shop for all HR and payroll, right? So we have features like payroll, like I would have alluded to just now, where you can run payroll for your entire organization, and at the end of that, you can generate the NIB C10 file to send over to NIB. You can also generate the bank files to then send to the bank. Now, hopefully, in the near future, there are some things in the works to where we can directly integrate with the banks and send it out immediately instead of you having to send a file or upload a file. So that should be coming on very soon as well. And also other features that we have in Triblock HR, like our recruitment feature, which allows you to now create job postings and post them up online for the public to see. Going back to that digitalization, whereas now you can improve that entire process to where a person can apply online, and now all the hiring managers can manage that entire flow from that person applying all the way to them being hired and you sending them the offer letter. Different triggers can be set up throughout the process as well. Whereas if you move that person from applied to interview, you can trigger an automatic email to be sent to them to say, hey, come in at this time for an interview. So all these things can be automated with things like performance management as well, and also being able to manage all of your employees' information all from one place.